Prince.
Sat.
Gito ko namin. Uy, kahit nakakasilang. Wait.
Wait lang, sama niyo ako. Yan, so guys, kami sa MOA, kasama ng mga classmates ko. Dos Ervin. Yan, siya. May bayad naman.
We're here at MOA. Our first day of our field trip. So bukas guys is papunta kami ng Subic. So, kamusta yung biyahe guys? Gusto ko malaman kung kamusta yung biyahe.
Stig, awesome. Best, best travel.
Best travel.
Best, basta best travel.
First time mo bumiyahe Prince mag-isa Prince?
What?
Mag-isa? First time mo bumiyahe mag-isa?
Nag-iisa ba ka?
Hello.
Kasama ko kayo.
Go, nice one. Bagsak naman yan. So, bibili kami ng kape guys para bukas at mag-refill kami ng tubig. Kita-kits bukas sa Subic guys. Bang! So, yun guys. Hi Lloyd.
Nakapagpakita ka.
Boy, wala ka. Pero blank ka. Yan.
Baka pogi ka talaga. Dito tayo muna. Muna tayo.
Tayo mo namin dito.
Kasama mo tayo. Pabili mo na kung kumbak nga po yun.
10.
Hindi mo na. Elevator lang? Ano mo?
Anong floor? Anong floor ba? Anong floor?
8.
899 kami. 906. Night guys. Hey guys, good morning guys. So it's already 3:30 in the morning na. Nag-prepare na kami kasi 5 AM yung meet up namin sa baba, then 4:30 is dapat naka-breakfast na kami kasi malayo pupunta namin ngayon guys, Subic. Tulog lang kasama ko. Ay Rel, good morning Rel. Rel. It's my buddy, partner. Outfit check. Good morning guys. Dito kami sa rooftop. Kasi magbe-breakfast kami dito sa taas sa loob. And it's the view from the deck.
Ay, dyan, Kim?
Ah, sorry. Manghangit lagi ay.
Anong kwarto yan mo siya?
Nag-auto, ano ba yung ulam?
Nakita pa sa video, almusal. Kursa sila.
Now, boss number 1, game na ba kayo?
Yeah!
Ready na? Yes, pateros. Okay? Why they call themselves as a patero? They are the shoemaker in that place in Marikina. So they got
She don't wanna wait till midnight. So I run away when the clock struck 12. Gotta
hindi
make
mag-issue
sure
because of the
my
total area of the place. Kaya up to now, mababa
Say
in
we'll
that
make
place.
love in a minute.
Okay, wait.
Gotta move slow, it's a
Pag-uusapan natin
limit.
King Camira out of
If
the
I got
16
you,
cities,
then I'm
pinakamalaki
winning.
po ng King Camira. Not million. We're talking about
You were shining like King
50 pesos for one song.
One-way ticket. You a hot pot, no skillet.
Lecture Pampanga.
You got my head top spinning. See you chilling up in space, I just wanna fly. You can see the tears rolling while you look
Parin
in
kita.
my eyes. Baby, you a beautiful sight. Can I hear the truth? Don't lie. Do you want me? Cause I do. Can escape when I lose. All of the changing I'm through.
Ang ganda oh.
Going for you.
Par.
I go through the hell. Not just in your eyes, but
Ang ganda oh, ito ganda oh, full oh. Adidas.
wanna stay with me. Undercover through falling asleep. I want no drama, take trips in the end. Pushing to fall, I'm just caught on your saying, yeah.
Starbucks sa labas.
Say we made love in a minute. Gotta move slow, it's a limit. If I got you, then I'm winning. Planning out a trip for a visit. You were shining like can't dim it. See you got a one-way ticket. You a hot pot, no
I'll see you
skillet.
outside.
Got my head top spinning.
I'll see you at the hangar or the runway of the Macapagal, what you call this one? Just the Macapagal Airport. That's Clark. So welcome here at Clark. Right, that's the runway. And then I want you to look to the runway of that airport. You will see the box there, yung orange and white. They call it TLS. The meaning of that is transmission land.
So ngayon guys, nandito kami sa Subic guys. Nag-stop over lang kami kasi ihi na yung mga kasama namin at isa ako doon. Yes. You're all 23, I think. Tama? Sige, priority natin makupo ang mga kababaihan bago ang kalalakihan. Ay, sorry ah. Sorry kasi. Okay guys, so dito kami kasama inasal para mag-lunch. Sa Subic pa rin naman. Kasama mga kasama. Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. Okay guys, nalito pa namin sa Subic. So hinintay na namin yung ibang kasama namin kasi yung aris namin is 2 PM and meron pa kami pupuntahan. Kunti pa kami dito, kami pa ni Prince. Hi guys! Ano nabili mo, Prince?
Wears,
Delikado sa muna, ubos ng pera.
polo shirt.
Polo shirt same, belt.
Cinturon.
Tumigil kami dito para mag-group picture with buong kasama namin yung ano, buong kasama.
Subic Point.
Subic Point. Basta Subic Beach. May Subic guys. Yan. At si Prince. Getting ready for dinner guys. Yan guys. Mukhang hindi nila kayang ubusin yung foods nila. So si Joylyn guys oh. Kasi pag hindi nila naubos guys yung foods, yun yung ano, kaukulang parusa. Yun. 250. Kaya yan. Walang lagay sa tissue, walang lagay sa... Kaya ba yung friends? Friends kayo?
Ayan. Taba na. Oh my God.
No.
Oo, tayo na. Dapat kasi kanina, ito sila kinain nyo, no?
Yun guys, hindi na maubos guys. Kasi pag di niya naubos, 250 guys. Night guys.
She don't wanna wait till midnight. Saw her run away when the clock struck 12. Gotta make sure my hair right. You among the stars on Orion's belt. Say we make love in a minute. Gotta move slow, what's the limit? If I got you, then I'm winning. Plan a trip for a visit. You shine a light, can't dim it. See you got a one-way ticket. You a hot pot, no skillet.
I close my eyes and you flush my nights inside of bed. All around me is already.
So lately guys, saan tayo? Dito tayo. Para kami ng drinks.
Baka inumin mo na ito every hours. Hindi
Ano
naman
na
siya
kaya?
tuloy.
Opo. Bawal ay? Grabe si G. Irvin, no? Ria. Prince. Akala ko selfie.
Sige.
Ayun po.
As sa real na experiments na ginagawa natin. So that is on electrical machines for motor control. Ginagamit na ito for NCT and NC4. If you
So guys, last night namin dito sa Sela Hotel na mag-grab foods kami. And bukas is maaga pa kami alas dito mag-check out ng 7 AM, no?
yes.
Then to Laguna, Ganderia.
Ulit!
Gardenia. So tayo
Sabihin na
mga
nuna sa iba pang terminal.
Ibig sabihin, huwag na kayo
12 kasi dapat
Oo, nakakautal yung mga words, ha?
oo. Ay
Pero tol, tayo pa na sa Batangas na.
Meron na lang guys, bye. So guys, nandito kami sa Gardenia, Laguna. Last trip namin bago papuntang Batangas. So nandito kami sa Gardenia guys, yung ito pinaka-last
Pinaka-last destination.
last destination namin bago kami magpatangas.
Kanina Mr. Alice Torres.
Dito kami guys sa ano. Kasi may ano daw po kami. Sa ano. Ah, pre-taste, yung pre-taste, yung pre-taste. Ah, so good! Ay, inulog pa. Kita ko na, kitiniklod kita eh. Mga dalok. Sarap. Bigyan mo ko. Pre-taste.
Sarap, boy.
Sarap boy, sarap.
Sarap pag libre, no?
Sarap. Di naman naabutin to ng 500 plus guys, no? Mga 1K lang. Mga 1K lang. Sa padamihan na lang bibili, panalo si Danrel. Di naman naabot ng 500 plus yan, no? 1K, 1K.
Yan. 1-1 gardenia.
Prince. Prince. So, nandito kami sa Batangas Pier guys. Yung biyahe namin is alas 5 pa. Ayan. Alas 2 pa lang. Tulog muna kami.